So in this video, I'm just going to do a walkthrough of and LearnDash. So if you're familiar with WordPress, you will recognize this back end. Your LearnDash plugin will show up here on the left-hand corner. How I got to this page is I clicked this LearnDash part and I went to courses, and here I am. You can see all of the courses we have. But I just created this quick demo to show you. So to edit your course, you go to Edit. Here again, if you're familiar with WordPress, you'll recognize this area where you add a title to your course and some text to introduce it. But what I think a lot of people, especially new people, to learn to WordPress, if you're using WordPress for LearnDash, what might confuse a lot of people is how to actually go about creating the course, like creating the lessons and the quizzes and all of that. So what you have to do, if you can see this little menu bar right here, you click Builder. And then as you can see, I just created some sections, lessons, all of that. So here, I will go ahead and just create a quick lesson for you. So here's section 2. There's no lesson attached to section 2, so you have one of two things. You can either, if you see this drop lessons here, if you already created a lesson in like a Word document or something, then you can just upload the lesson file here, or you can create your lesson directly on the WordPress backend. So that's what I'm going to do. Here you add the title, and now lesson 2 is created. So to edit the content, you just hover over it, click edit, and then you can add lesson content. And then I always like to update or save my work. So if you just want to continue going back to the course, you can. It took me to a different page. All right, so now we're back. And then you can attach a quiz to, so you can add a quiz to a lesson. And then edit the quiz content same way. Talking about update. Apologize, my computer is being a little slow. And then down here, if you want like a final quiz for the course, you just create that right there. Something else that is neat, let's say I want to move this section up here. I just hover, if you see these 6 dots right here, just hover over it, and then your cursor turns into the hand icon. And then you can just drag and drop it. So I think that is a pretty neat feature. You can also do the same thing with your lessons. And for other settings like setting a price and visibility, all of that, you go to settings. And then here is where you can set your price. I'm just going to set this as a free course. And then, yeah, again, all these other little settings that you can add. You know, you can toggle if you want, if you're requiring course prerequisites, and you know, all these other factors that will really make your course your own. I'll save that. And then that's pretty much it. I can understand that LearnDash, it is very easy to use, but it does come with a little bit of a learning curve. So I hope that helped you learn LearnDash.